There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. My dreams, but they're made of real things. They're like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone and loving. Love is the answer at least for most of the questions in my heart. Why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we look at the stars when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. And all of these moments just might find a way into my dreams tonight. And I know that they'll be gone in the morning light seems so brings new things. For tomorrow now you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams I might find a way into my day-to-day scene, I'll be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. With so many things we had to do, all places we have to be. We'll see beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, we look at the stars when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.